In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spotlight everyone on Zoom. Spotlighting lets you control exactly who appears on screen for all participants, which is perfect for panels, award ceremonies, or any meeting where the focus should stay on a few key speakers. Unlike pinning, which only affects what you see on your own device, spotlighting changes the view for everyone in the meeting, and depending on your setup, often for the recording too. Before we begin, make sure you're the host or a co-host of the meeting. Only hosts and co-hosts can spotlight. Also, ask at least 3 participants to have their video on. Multi-spotlight works best when people are visible, and Zoom allows you to highlight multiple active video feeds at once. To start, find the first person you want to highlight. Hover your mouse over their video thumbnail to reveal their controls. Click the 3 dots in the corner of their video, then choose Spotlight for everyone. As soon as you do this, that participant becomes the primary focus for all attendees. Now add more people to the spotlight. Navigate to another participant you want to feature, open their 3-dot menu again, and click Add Spotlight. Repeat this for each additional speaker you'd like to include. Zoom supports up to 9 simultaneous spotlights, so you can build a panel of faces that remains consistent for the entire audience. This is great for moderated discussions where you want every featured person visible at the same time. If you need to adjust the lineup, you can remove someone from the spotlight without disrupting the others. Hover over that person's video, open the 3-dot menu, and select Remove Spotlight. They'll return to the regular meeting view, while the remaining spotlights stay in place. Keep refining until the on-screen layout matches the flow of your conversation. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Let speakers know they're being spotlighted so they're ready on camera, and encourage stable lighting and clear audio for a professional look. If someone turns their video off, they won't appear in the spotlight, so ask participants to stay on video while they're featured. That's it. With host or co-host privileges, a few clicks, and up to 9 spotlighted speakers, you can direct attention exactly where it needs to be. As a quick recap, confirm you're the host or co-host, get at least 3 cameras on, spotlight your first speaker, add up to 8 more with Add Spotlight, and remove anyone you no longer want featured. This creates a predictable, polished viewing experience for the whole audience, and you can adjust the lineup at any time without interrupting the flow.